Alright guys, well, welcome back to the channel. We're out here again. Got out here before light. As you can see, I've got my bright light up above my head right now. Doing pretty good here. I just came back to the same spot to see if they're going to still be here. And well, I can't show you because the camera doesn't like the depth finder. It doesn't read it very well, but they're here. I'm marking them, so we're going to get this rattle reel set up, put down, and we're going to start jigging right away. I don't know if I'll do a third rod in here yet or not, but we'll see how things go. Alright, here we go. We're set up. Got our rattle and buckshot ready to go here. Minnow head. We got the rattle reel going there. I'm going to jig for a little bit and see how this goes before I set up a third rod, because I don't want it, I mean, if it gets real crazy, I don't want to be messing around with like a bunch of small dinks on every line. So we'll try this for now, see how it goes. Oh, got one rising up to my buckshot. There we go. First catch of the day. There's more with me too. Oh, we just about lost him at the hole. Nice little eye here. Nice little walleye. Not keeping him, he's much too small. But we'll let him go. There's more down there. Sorry for the crappy lighting. My my good light went out. I don't know why. Battery's good. So we can get more natural light in here, but it ain't looking good, folks, for light for a little bit. I'm sorry, so bear with me. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see. We got one on the rattle reel. Another little torpedo. Hard to see. Can you see back here? I don't know. Lighting sucks, folks. I'm sorry about it, but daylight's coming soon. There we go. Dropped straight down. He must have came right up for it right away. Getting better. Oh, unhook this guy and go for that rattle reel next. Getting better, but not big enough yet to keep. Put him back. And now let's check this rattle reel. No, not on that one. Oh, something rushed up to it. Might be grabbing it right now. Yep. There we go. We got him. Doesn't feel like a big one, but another walleye. Found the nursery. There we go. There's another one. You can barely see again. I'm really sorry about the lighting, guys. Cool thing about having a couple of rods down there, a couple of lines, is that you can keep them interested. You can keep the action going, and it usually keeps them around and usually draws in more. We're hoping to draw in some big ones. So far, nothing real big, but it is still early, way early. I'm not going to complain about catching fish, right? Could be worse. We could be getting skunked. There we go. Same time, rattle reel's going off. Well, this feels like a better fish too. Oh, he comes off. Darn it. Okay. Looks like we got one here. That one came off too, but this one didn't feel big. Check the minnow. Yep, minnow's gone. Okay, that's a good sign. I'm gonna move this here. Oh yeah, we got one now. He's running with it. There we go. Oh, this feels better. Try not to lose it. There we go. Our first eater walleye. Shit. Nice little fish here. That thing just took it and just went. I could just see my line just all of a sudden it's just yep, going this way. Yeah. Alright, buddy. You've made the team. Probably not the team you want to be making, but coming home with me. One down, 4 to go. There we go. rushed me on that one. They wanted to chase it. It's a cool bite. Got another eater walleye. Okay. There we are. It was just so quiet for so long. Didn't really have a lot of action going on, but nice little eater walleye here. Throw him in the box and get back down there. I mean, it was really weird. He just shows up and just rises up. I went and grabbed my rod to pick it up out of my hands. I actually picked up the lure. Lure rose and he shot up after it, then stopped. So then, and didn't bite. So then I raised it up a little bit more and kept raising up, and all of a sudden he hit me. So maybe they just want it change or moving. You guys hear how crazy that wind is? Actually, I have you on the shelter. I probably shouldn't because I'm kind of worried that you're gonna fall. Yeah, that's a little, what was it, mid-morning update? Late morning update, 10:45. So, not much going on ever since that last walleye catch. Been seeing some marks here or there. They come up for it, they wouldn't want it, go back down. I wouldn't see them again for another 20 minutes or so. It's been long. It's really windy outside. It's really miserable. I'm happy to be in the shelter. There's no way I'm gonna be able to fish efficiently outside. The wind's just too crazy, and blowing snow, so the holes will fill up with snow, and then they're gonna ice over because of the wind. So very miserable outside. Happy we're in the shelter with heat. Just kind of hanging out for the day. It should calm down later. We'll see what happens, but for now, this is what we're doing, and see if we can't wrangle up some more. Alright guys, I got my underwater camera working. Look at this. Look at that little walleye looking at it. He's just looking at it. Think he'll take it? He's following it. That's the little jig and minnow on the rattle reel. I don't do the underwater cameras very often, so this is pretty cool for me. Every once in a while we get one in here that comes by through there. So you can zoom in. He's not very big though. Oh, he's backing up. He's just looking at it. Should I move it a little bit? Oh, he did not like that at all, did he? Oh, he's coming back for it. Yeah, when I moved him, that spooked him. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Is there right over? He's swimming off with it. Yeah. He's swimming off with it. There's there. Okay. Okay, I better set the hook. This is crazy. There we go. Got him. Well, actually kind of feels a little bit better than I thought. No, and he come off. Bummer. Perhaps I just let him have it for just a little too long. Got a little excited, but hey, that's awesome. We'll took the minnow, so we'll just put him we'll just put a new minnow on there, get it back down there, and I'm sure he won't bite again because I felt the hook get into him. So we'll see what happens. I'm seeing some more movement down there, so we'll see if we can't bring in another one. All right, guys, I'm tired of just sitting in here. We've got the camera, underwater camera, on our rattle reel. Hopefully we can hear it, but we're gonna go out there. I've already got one rod set up, and we're already gonna start jigging. So I'm impatient. I want to get around and move around a little bit. It's just kind of windy. It's like being underneath a windy tarp all day long. It sucks, but we're gonna go out and see what we can find. I'm gonna put you on my chest because it's really windy out, and we're trying to shield you guys from the wind. So probably still gonna be some wind noise, so I apologize in advance. Here's a gauge of the wind noise. Okay, so this one I had to set up differently today, just because this flag, the wind kept pushing this flag over and setting it off. So I had to aim it into the wind, so that way the flag won't get set off. We'll see what happens here. This should work out. Alright guys, well, we have taken down the shelter. You can tell, there's where everything, we're still fishing. Still got the two rods with the first strike flags on them. And then we're still doing the rattle reel off the bucket. And then our jigging rod. So we're gonna try and catch this evening bite. I wanted to get that shelter down before it got dark. I mean, if you look at this, I mean, there's water everywhere here, so it's all around the shelter, and I just wanted to make sure that I got it put away before it got too difficult and before the wind picked up. The wind calmed down actually just for a moment, so I don't know if it's going to pick up or if it's going to stay down. Who knows? This lake's supposed to have a pretty good late or evening bite, as you guys saw in the last video. So we're gonna hang out here for a little while longer and then see what happens. I don't know. Hopefully that evening bite kicks off here. We got four lines in. It's a legal amount of lines. Let's see what we can find. There we go. Whatever fish that was I just missed before it came over to my other rod here. I just about missed him. I didn't have it set right. Oh, now I do, but well, that's an eater. Just barely, but he's an eater. I don't know why that didn't work the way I wanted it to. There we go. About a 14-incher. That was probably that mark I saw that messed with me. Here comes the mark. Got him. Came charging right up. Nice little walleye, but not quite big enough. Let's take a measurement of him. Yeah. Oh gosh, yeah, he's only 11 inches. Like I thought. Oh, I'm gonna let him go because we got our other one set here. This one looks pretty good. Oh no, I think you let go. I was too slow. Darn it. Oh. Our rattle reel's going. Grab them. There we go. It's really small, whatever it is. Not big at all. Yeah, just a little guy here. Moving in. I think the evening bite has begun. There we go. And another one here. Dumped it. Might be a little bit better. Maybe. Yeah. I don't know. I need pliers for him though. Pliers away, which is stupid. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, he really thumped it. He really wanted that. There we go. Well, he's still a little small. We're gonna throw him back. Oh, wrong way, buddy. Shocked. Okay. Oh gosh, one followed me up 5 feet. And then he stopped. Oh, one got the rattle wheel. I think. Let's see. Oh, yep, I think so. Maybe not. They're just nibbling on it. Oh, yeah, one did have it. Is it little? I lost him, I think. Yeah, he came off. He wasn't very big though. Oh gosh, one bit it. Oh, that's a better fish. One bit it as I was trying to set it. Here we go, that's a keeper. That's funny. I was just trying to set it and he came up and swiped at it. Oh, there you go, buddy. Cool. Oh yeah, that one will keep. All right, we just need one more. got another one on there. They're just destroying this thing. Yeah, he's too small. We'll throw him back. Nice little walleye. Go down. There you go. Oh, and we got a flag up. There's one there. There we go. He's a little better, but still a little small. I think there's bigger down there. Put him back. Hey guys, all right, so we're doing this outro in the garage because I was going to do it in the truck as soon as we got off the ice, and I didn't do it on the ice because it was dark when I got done, and it was really hard for you guys to see anyway, so wouldn't have been any good. So we're going to do it in the garage. You know, today wasn't as good of a day as it was yesterday. We still landed 5 keepers. One I probably would have thrown back, but I tried. But I swear I was out of the water, and I tried putting him back in the water, and it's like he just complete shock. All I did was took him out, unhooked him, measured him, put him back in. So since he died, we ended up keeping that one. Usually I don't do that, but I mean if they're not gonna make it, we'll keep it. We'll count it part of the limit. Anyways, not too bad of a day. Morning was pretty good. Evening was pretty good. All day. I mean, we were there from dark to dark, morning to night, and it was definitely a morning bite, and then definitely an evening bite. We did get a couple of bites through the mid-late morning, but not any flurries. At the end of the night, I don't think I'm going to show it. I don't think I showed it because it's just me missing a lot of fish, but there was a flurry at night where they came in and the night bite, and I kept missing fish left and right. I was having some issues with the reels, and I didn't have them set up right. I didn't have them set up properly. That was my deal. So, but we still ended up catching a couple of good keepers, and then the one that we had to keep, and we had a lot of fun, with some other catches too. So I didn't miss a ton of fish, but we missed a few really good ones that I wanted to show. But this weekend was my first weekend using those First Strike flags, tip-up flags for your fishing rods. I really like them. I just think my reels, the drags on my reels aren't as good. They're not as smooth, so it was kind of messing up So when fish would bite, they'd have to pull a little bit harder to pull that drag. And you can do the free reel, like flip the little switch and it'll reel backwards. But what I found doing that is sometimes it takes a little bit of a jolt to get it to go, and that second little jolt, sometimes it'll just drop the bait. Or when they make that jolt, the reel is still spinning when they stop, after that jolt. So it keeps spinning and it throws out more line, and that in turn, makes up for some line twists and messes it up. So I opted not to do that after seeing that, and just went back to the drag. I mean, it still works pretty good. We still caught quite a few fish on it. So it's something I'm gonna, I'm gonna keep on using. I really like it. I really like fighting the fish on the rod. Rattle reel is a lot of fun. We got some of those catches in the morning and then at night too. Love the rattle wheel too. So I think I could keep calling it the rattle reel. it's supposed to be rattle wheel, but whatever. Same thing. You guys know what I'm talking about. So anyways, it was a good day. Still, it was a really nice day other than the wind. The wind was crazy up until the evening, then we can finally calm down. But yeah, that wind sucked. That was the only negative part for today. We are going to be done ice fishing. I've got all the gear inside the garage now. It's all taken out of the truck. Usually if I'm going to be going ice fishing tomorrow, I'll just keep it in the truck. But we're done ice fishing for the year. Got a bunch of other stuff going on the next couple of weekends, so we're not even going to be able to get out. It's going to warm up. It's going to get really sloppy, and it's going to suck to be out. So we're done ice fishing for the year, sadly. But we did get out a few times. It's better than nothing. Had a lot of fun. Caught a lot of good fish. I caught my personal best walleye through the ice, so that was a ton of fun. Love that. Great. But that's going to do it for our ice fishing season. Short and sweet. Had a lot of fun, but now we're going to prepare for open water. I already have been, but next up is open water and then tournament season. So stay tuned for that. We got some other videos in the pipeline too coming up here, so stay tuned for those as well, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.